Hi, this is Jenny from A Journey with Jenny, and today I am doing a two videos in one. So I am going to be embarking on a songwriting and production with Charlie Puth monthly class, and I'm going to do a Amazon unboxing video. So stay tuned, and yeah, I hope that you enjoy today's video. Please subscribe, and I'm going to be sharing all month my music production process. All right, so back in September of 2020, I actually took another Monthlycom class that was with Andrew Huang. So for those of you who might know Andrew Huang, he does like music production. So I actually took his complete music production with Andrew Huang Monthlycom course, and it was to become a versatile music producer in 30 days. So I made 2 songs. I learned how to use Ableton Live, and I produced 2 songs. I was supposed to produce a third, but I actually never got to that point. So when I saw Monthly.com share about this new like monthly subscription program that they have, I decided to sign up for it because I want to write a song around suicide awareness and suicide prevention by August. So I figured this actually ended up being perfectly aligned. So this is a Pop Songwriting and Production with Charlie Puth course. It's going to start on July 12th and run until August 10th. And it's become a better songwriter in 30 days. So I have 2 weeks to prep to get ready for this course. So the good thing is that last time I had like no musical background, but this time I actually, have already taken Andrew's course. The cool thing is I can take Andrew's course again so that I am ready for Charlie's course. And then I'm channeling my inner Tay-Tay here, Taylor Swift. This is her, her red jersey. I went to her concert way back when, and I really love her songwriting style. I've always really loved like pop songs, and I'm excited to learn how to actually start writing songs now. This is what the course looks like. So basically, class starts in 14 days. I watched this welcome video. I created a class profile. I have a, a referral bonus link that I can share below. So you can definitely, if you're interested in taking this course, you can definitely use that for a discount. You get $20 off. And then so this tools equipment. So this is where the unboxing comes into place, the necessities. So what we need is a DAW, so the digital audio workstation, Ableton Live 11 Suite. What's really cool is that right now you can actually download Ableton Live 11 Suite for free. So I had Ableton 10 and I used that for free for 90 days, and they have a whole new one that they launched. So I'm able to actually download Ableton Live 11 Suite. So this is their website, and you can download this and use it for free for 90 days. So this is awesome because the class starts in 14 days and then it's a month long, and then I'll have still another month and a half to play around with it before I consider paying for it. So if I don't keep doing music, then I don't have to pay for it at all. If I do music, then at least I already have started using it. So I'm going to use that one. There are other ones that are free, like GarageBand is already free on Macs, and these are the other ones that they recommend. But what I really realized when I took Andrew Huang's course is that Andrew, he uses Ableton Live. So if I'm using the same digital audio workstation as he is, I can follow him exactly as he is doing it. Where like for the other ones, like if you're using GarageBand or something different, then you're gonna have to like figure out how to do that same thing in the DAW that you're using. So I'd rather just use the most advanced thing and learn how to do it, because I know I want to produce these songs anyways, so why not go for it, especially since it's free for 90 days, so you really have nothing to lose. And then, so the nice to haves. So these are things that in the first time that I did the course, I didn't buy these things, but now that this is the second course I'm taking, and I'm probably going to take yet another one, I kind of decided that it'd be worth investing in something. So a MIDI keyboard. I bought one, so let me actually, ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this is one of the ones that he recommended. You know what? I'm gonna have to pull up my Amazon to see how much I paid for each of these things. But you know what? Forget that. I'm just gonna link it below. So this is the Akai Professional, the MPK Mini. It's the best-selling industry standard MIDI controller. I bought this one, to be honest, because my favorite color is red, and I love that it has red on it. So it's complete music production starter kit, and it basically has everything else you need to start making music. So what I really like is that I am going to start using this. So what's really cool is it has all of these like features on it. So there's a built-in arpeggiator, a 4-way joystick for pitch and modulation control. Then there's all of these, what are these called again? I don't even know what they're called. 8 MPC performance pads with note repeat and full level in 2 blanks. And then this display, it connects with USB and a sustain pedal input jack. There's 8 endless knobs to tweak your software parameters. And then obviously the keyboard. So 25 mini keys featuring the new premium performance keyboard. And yeah, I'm super excited. Let me open it. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I need scissors. I guess I can use my pen. So you guys will notice that like red is my favorite color, red and blue. And so like if I see things that are red, I just automatically really want to buy them. But there's a couple other colors that I really like as well. Like you'll see a theme. Like I bought 2 things that were rose gold because the reds were just a little bit too obnoxious, and sometimes I want to be a little bit subtle. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow, look how cute it is. And it's so tiny. Okay, and I bought something else for it. So actually, before I open this, I like it. You can hear it's actually a hard case, and it has this like little handle, but it also has these side handles too. And let me open it up. Ooh, okay. So yes, what I really liked why I bought this one is because it actually has this handle out here. Yay! So I can actually wear it like this, but I can also hold it like this. So I like that there's like 2 ways to carry it. There were some other ones that didn't have this longer handle, and I specifically wanted this longer handle. And I honestly think this one was actually even a couple dollars cheaper. So I really like it. Like it feels sturdy, and this is like padding, and it even has a spot for the wiring forward. So yeah, look at this. Look how great it is. Ooh, I like how it feels. Wow, okay, so here's the joystick. Yeah, all these buttons. Oh, the pads feel pretty good, actually. It feels sturdy. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, so yay, here it is. MPK Mini. I think this is version 3. Here's what it looks like on the back. Yeah, looks good. So as you can see, I put it right in here, and then this little strap holds it in. So that's pretty good. And then it comes with this USB charger thing, or I don't know what this is actually. Cord. Your hit song starts here. So yeah, I will read this later on. Okay, so the MIDI keyboard. So yeah, I did the Akai Professional. It's one of the more budget ones. The Alesis, so I looked at the Alesis, I looked at Akai, I looked at a couple different ones. I forget how much I bought this one for. I want to say like it was in the mid 100s. I decided I wanted to invest in a slightly better one. I didn't want a sub $100 one, but I also didn't want to spend more than $200. So I want to say it was just around the $150 mark. All right, so headphones. All right, y'all, I am not like, okay, the thing you're gonna have to learn about me is I am semi-deaf in one ear. I can't hear that well. And so I'm tone deaf and like I'm a little bit hard of hearing. So I honestly like can't hear things that well. So I'm not gonna spend like $200 on headphones. Instead, I decided to get this one. It's the Power Locus. I love this carrying case. Honestly, everything is like investing in such nice cases these days. And here's the inside, the wiring, user's manual, and I love that this has an extra carrying case and an extra thing as well. So let me remove this. Ooh. Huh, okay. Cute! I love it. So it's rose gold. Once I start creating music, I'm going to start using these to listen to it. And these honestly were like 20 bucks. They claim to be noise canceling and all that jazz. This is the budget option. I'm not willing to invest $200 in headphones yet. These were like $20. So plugins and virtual instruments. I have the free complete kit here. I don't think I'm going to buy any of them unless I really think I need to. Microphones, I'm going to do more research on this because I wasn't ready to just buy one, and I also want to do podcasting and other things, so I'm going to really research a little bit more to choose the best microphone for me. The audio interface, at this time I decided I'm not going to get any of that. So that's all for getting ready for the course. Since I started playing the guitar again, I actually got something that I've been wanting to get for a while. This is the Amazon Basic version. Here we go. A tuner and metronome. So this is the metronome tuner, and I love it because it works for multiple instruments. It said that it actually works for the guitar and the violin and the ukulele. So I'm super excited because I want to play a couple of other instruments later on in the future. And I also would like a metronome that's not on my phone. So this is going to be really good, and especially like to have a tuner that's also not on my phone. So this is going to be really awesome. I'm going to learn how to use this. And then finally, I bought something that I feel like has been some time coming. This is like the #1 made in China. So funny. Banaoki carried the ultimate. Oh shoot, the signs. So this was like the #1 purchase item in like Amazon Tech. So I was like, what is this? And it's only like $30. So this is the ultimate karaoke machine. So we can listen to music. It has a USB interface, supports an SD card, records songs, and is a mic speaker. Okay, let me just take it out. Woohoo! Ooh, I love these carrying cases. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun, guys. Look at this. Oh wow. Banaoki. This is a karaoke like microphone, and it has like volume, echo, music. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be, I love this rose gold, but I'm gonna use this to protect my microphone so that it doesn't get dirty. But I love how gold it looks. Wow, that looks very cool. Okay, that's much better. Protect it. Okay, I love it. It comes with all this stuff. So basically this is the Q37 wireless microphone and hi-fi speaker. I am so excited for this. So I have to charge it, but in the next video, I'm gonna start playing with it, start singing. And what's really cool is that this, like, I'll record me singing through this, and I think that I can connect it to like YouTube videos and just sing, and this, like, I don't know how it works. I just know that people love it. Honestly, I bought this because it looks like fun, and because it was so cheap. It was only $30 or something like that, and it was the number one, like, it's the number one purchased tech item on Amazon. So I was like, okay, this is like, this looks like a really good party thing. So I'm gonna bring this around to all the parties because I love to sing and like have people do karaoke anyways. So I like this setup is gonna be really awesome. So that's everything for today, guys. So to recap today, I am going to be taking Charlie Puth's, is that how you say his name? I don't even know. Charlie Puth's Pop Songwriting, I can't even speak. Pop Songwriting and Production class that starts on July 12th. So starting July 12th for 30 days, I'm going to be doing like the music classes again that I did last year. So I'm going to be taking the music classes. I'm going to be producing 2 songs and writing lyrics, writing a song, and like creating the songs from scratch. And so to prepare for this class, I bought a MIDI player. So this is the Akai MIDI player, and I'm so excited because this time I can actually like play music on keys, and it's gonna be so much easier because honestly, like when I was trying to do it like by pressing it, it was so hard. So now I can actually go like dun 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 and like click my own what's it called again? Major keys, minor key, or whatever. I can play the actual keys. So that's gonna be a lot easier to produce. I have my headphones that I'm gonna have so that I can look a lot more legit and listen to the music better. For my guitar playing, because I'm pretty sure one of the songs I'm gonna do with the guitar, I have my metronome and my tuner. And then I have this karaoke machine, which actually what would be cool is using this. I think that there will be more like bass and more reverb. Like there's the echo feature here, so I think it's gonna make me sound better than if I was just singing to my computer. Plus it has the music. I invested in this because I knew that I'm taking it seriously. So this is the most important investment I've made for this project. I definitely agree. I think it's a really good investment. I think that this is gonna allow me to do even more, and especially all the different features. I mean, if I'm actually gonna start like being a music producer of sorts, this is the kind of stuff that I really gotta get into. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and if you're interested in following my journey for music production, then please subscribe, follow me, and please like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.